Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki PinkkGoddess here. I want to talk to you today about Bitcoin affiliate programs, right? I'm pretty sure that if you're watching this, you may know what an affiliate program is. You may not know that there are Bitcoin affiliate programs. But in case you're watching this and you do not know what a Bitcoin affiliate program is, and you don't know what an affiliate program is, you are in the right place, and I'm going to share it with you. So first off, what is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is a program that allows people to refer products and services to a particular company, and that company pays that person who does the referring a commission. Companies can pay anywhere from 3%, up to 100% if they choose to, but most companies pay 10, 20, 30, 40% commission. Then you have some larger companies, they actually pay you a smaller percentage, like 2% or 3% or 5%. But that's pretty much what an affiliate program is. You have entrepreneurs who are selling courses and products that they have, their programs and ebooks and all of that, and they typically pay a percentage for their affiliates if they have that in place. So there are people that have made millions of dollars in a single year selling someone else's product or service. And it's good because you don't have to take on the responsibility of actually creating it, putting in the work to, make sure that everything is in place for support, the marketing on, a whole grand scale of things. You are simply going to receive a percentage for you doing, a small amount of effort. And it just kind of depends on your experience level as to how much that effort level is. And so that's pretty much what an affiliate program is. So then when you add in the Bitcoin affiliate program, right? That is where voila, beautiful. You can promote and get 100% commissions, right? It really depends, again, on the company. Not all companies are created equal, but it really depends on the company. I say this, it takes the same amount of time, effort, focus, and energy to market any product or service. It doesn't matter what you are doing. It's going to take the same. Like, you're really going to have to put in the work. So if you're going to do that, why not do something that is going to pay you handsomely, right? Meaning 100% commissions. And then you can kind of use the monies that you receive from that to kind of outsource some of the other things, because, at the end of the day, it still is going to require the same amount of work that you're going to put in, but why not make more money, right? You can make more money, and that will give you a lot more leverage to do more things with that money. You can do more advertising. You can advertise that same company or even another one. You really just have different things that are open for you to do when you are receiving larger commissions, right? So with that being said, I just kind of wanted to bring to you like exactly what a Bitcoin affiliate program is. I'm not going to go into detail on this video. This is just kind of letting you guys know that there are some Bitcoin affiliate programs that pay 100% commissions instantly, direct to you. You don't have to wait on your money, and it is safe, legit, scam-free, no possibility of scamming. It is just amazing. So if you are interested in learning how you can earn 100% commissions paid direct to you, please visit this site right here, joinus247.com. That's going to give you access to my free Facebook group. And inside of my group is where I share the overview. I think we do live overviews on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. You can get your questions answered. If you are looking to become an affiliate, which is, in my opinion, one of the fastest ways that you can create income, because you don't actually have to go in and do anything yourself. You don't have to go in and, create the product. All you have to do is make sure that you have funnels in place that is going to collect the information from your prospective leads, and you stay in contact with them. You want to give them some value and then sign people up. That is really what you do. You don't have to go in figuring out how to make the product or none of that. It's already done for you. You just have to drive the sales. So in my opinion, it is one of the easiest and fastest ways for you to be able to make some income. And like I said, what better way than to promote something and get 100% versus promoting something and getting 3%, 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% when you can get 100%. And I'm going to add one more thing to this before I go. With this particular platform that I'm telling you about, not only do you get 100% of the commissions from you, but when you refer people to the software program, and if they refer people, you get 100% of some of theirs because of the way the program is structured. So you're literally able to create massive leverage where you're able to really have the ability to wake up to money. If you're working a job, you can go to work and still get paid while you're at work because you have something in place that's working for you that allows you to have the leverage. Now, of course, this is not going to happen without you doing absolutely nothing. This is not going to happen with you just putting your money in and just letting it sit there. Although I do have a program that does that for you, but we're speaking solely on the Bitcoin affiliate program. If you are wanting to get paid 100% commissions direct to you, it is, in my opinion, the fastest way that you can really create some massive income. And also when you look at the fact that it's in Bitcoin, if you look at what Bitcoin has done in the last 12 months, we're talking March of 2020, last year, March 2020, one Bitcoin was worth $5,000. And today, one Bitcoin is worth what, one Bitcoin is worth $49,000. Like, we're sitting at $50,000 for Bitcoin right now. I think it just hit 50,000 today again. So, I just want you to know that the possibilities are limitless when you are doing a Bitcoin affiliate program. And also too, just so you know, just to give you an example of this, Bitcoin is predicted to hit $100,000 this year. Let's say you decide to lock arms with me and my team and you join this platform with us and you share this with people and you're receiving commissions and you're able to accumulate one full Bitcoin by the end of this year. And let's say by September, October, you have a Bitcoin, right? We don't know what the value of Bitcoin is going to be around that time frame, but let's just say it stays around where it's at now. 47, 50 is what it's been teeter-tottering between, and I think today it hit 50,000 again. But let's just say hypothetically, it's between $45,000 and $50,000 between now and September. And then let's say as it rallies up, in let's say November, December, it hits $100,000. You would have received a 50% profit for doing nothing but owning Bitcoin. That's it. That is the power of Bitcoin. And now we're not speaking on the possibility of it going past $100,000, but I do know once it crosses that $100,000 threshold, that is going to be very powerful. If you don't know anything about Bitcoin, I suggest you head over and do your due diligence and do some research to see why it is very important for you to have and own Bitcoin. If you're going to do nothing but just let it sit, you definitely need to try to accumulate some Bitcoin as fast as you can. And the fastest way, in my opinion, is to do so through a program that's going to pay you in Bitcoin instead of you having to go out and purchase a bunch of Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin is very expensive. And unless you have $50,000 sitting in a bank account, just sitting there that you can just go and buy Bitcoin to hold, then what better way than to market and share a product or service to actually receive Bitcoins, right? So it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I'm going to end this video. I hope that you got some value out of this video. Again, I want to invite you to lock arms with us and join us 247.com. Get into the free Facebook group, get your questions answered, and lock arms with us, because guess what? We are going to create some success stories this year. We're going to create some big ones. I know, because Bitcoin is changing lives. And like I said, if you're going to market a product or service, why not get paid 100% for your efforts? That's like going to be awesome with you getting 100% versus 10%, 5%. When you're doing a typical network marketing company, I think they pay like 5% or something like that, 6% on the levels. when you can get paid 100% commissions. So it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I'm signing out of this. I hope you got some value. I ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I thank you for taking time to listen, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, and please share this video too. I really appreciate that.